If you think training a generative AI to speak multiple languages is just about translation and technology, well, I am here to tell you that it's not. Hello, I am Karina with DATAmundi, and today we're going to break down what really works and what completely flops when generative AI goes multilingual. Okay, let's be honest. Generative AI is pretty impressive, right? And when it comes to multilingual content, meaning let's say I type in something in Portuguese or something in Spanish and it replies to me in English and we play around with languages, that's when the magic happens. That's even more impressive. There is a very common question that we get at DATAmundi, which is, how can I train my AI to go multilingual? I can tell you one thing about it. It's not as simple just translating a dataset and hitting the train button. There is a couple of hurdles that can really make or break your AI system. These hurdles, they can be technology related, linguistic related, or even cultural related. Let's dive in some of them. The first challenge is data quality and data availability. Imagine you feeding your AI with thousands of books, articles, conversations, whatever you have available for you, but just on a handful major languages. We have a lot of data available for English, Spanish, and even Mandarin, but when we go to the very specific ones like indigenous dialects or even African dialects, that's where the issue is. And for the other ones that we do have a lot available online, most of the times they are quite messy. Think of noisy data, mixed language texts, or even just poor translation. This is quite common, and this kind of noisy or even dirty data, it can really throw off training and will require a lot of time cleaning and validating your dataset. The second challenge is linguistic diversity and complexity. Language isn't just vocabulary. It's grammar, syntax, word order, morphology, all of which vary a lot across languages. Then we move to our third challenge, which is cultural and contextual understanding. Translating content is not the same as localizing content. A model might still translate a sentence correctly, but still miss the tone, the humor, or even the social norms behind it. And on top of all that, without diverse training data, an AI system can even replicate biases. The result? A model that is technically correct, but culturally tone deaf. Fourth and last challenge of this video: data evaluation and benchmarking. Once a model is trained, how do you measure success? There is no one-size-fits-all metric, especially for creative tasks like summarization or dialogue. For the case mentioned before, languages that don't have high-quality datasets, usually the teams have to create their own. That means that they have to create custom benchmarks and agree internally what good actually means. In practice, it means creating project-specific standards with client inputs, involving linguistics and subject matter experts for a hands-on feedback. Training a multilingual AI model isn't just about covering more and more languages. It's about capturing meaning, context, culture, and creating a truly diverse dataset. And to do it right, you need a mix of three things: technical innovation, human expertise, and a deep respect of linguistic and cultural nuances. If you are building large language models that need to speak to the world, it's worth partnering with experts that can get the details right. Because words matter, and how your AI communicates matters even more. If you're ready to train your model the right way, let's talk.